completed a project that has been kind of in the works for a really long time. I have some new clients in Hermosa Beach, and we are making over several spaces in their home. They have been doing some remodeling in there, and so things have just been kind of taking a little bit longer. But I'm stoked to be sharing you guys this video today. We did a guest bathroom makeover in there. It's so beautiful. It's so calm and beachy. We did this really beautiful wallpaper in there. I think you're gonna love it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and help out your girl, please, and subscribe to my channel to see more awesome, fun, and interior design videos like this one. My clients were in the middle of full demo when they brought me in to help work on their bathroom space. Everything was like in pure, utter construction zone, and I worked with the clients to pick out some of the finishing touches. They did have chosen the tile for the shower and also the flooring for the bathroom floors. I knew though immediately that I personally wanted to add some little spice in there by adding a really fun wallpaper. I think that a bathroom space is a place where you can have really fun with wallpaper choices. So as you can see here, I mocked up some different options for wallpaper choices, doing some a little more subtle because some of the brighter colors were a little too much for them. And I came across this stunning wallpaper that I found on Livette's Wallpaper. It's a company, I believe it's based out of Europe, I think, but their wallpapers are so beautiful, and they even have peel and stick options as well. And I found this one. We actually did go with a traditional wallpaper versus peel and stick because it was just easier to install, especially in a bathroom. And here you see me kind of like mocked it up, and I think it looks so pretty. This is our, like, what day? I don't even know. This has been like a project that has been a long one in the making because Elizabeth and Brian are kind of like redoing their entire house. So they have a contractor that's been here like every other day doing stuff, so it's been slow moving, but it is finally coming together. You're seeing a sneak peek of this wallpaper in here, and it is looking so good, so beachy, so Hermosa vibes. I've got all kinds of goodies from Home Goods and Target and some other things that we've been like ordering over time. And so today I'm going to be surprising them because they've been on vacation and they're going to come home, and this space is going to be completed, and I can't wait to share it with you. So today's the day where I'm going to be doing like little finishing final touches.